How are we doing, guys? We are back with another GoMining video. Of course, this isn't like, my mining farm or whatever. This is going to be a GoMining Academy video. And it is specifically about the new, well, I wouldn't say new, almost 2 months old, thing that they have called Mine Now and Pay Later. But what is that exactly? I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. You start mining now and then you pay later. And from what this little picture shows, that it's 0% interest, which that seems pretty good. That seems pretty good. But anywho, let's hop into it. Mine Now, Pay Later. The acronym MNPL. I don't know why in my head that just looks like it says my nipple. Mine Now, Pay Later is a new payment method that lets you get a bigger miner right away and pay for it in installments over a certain time period. Instead of paying the full price up front, you make a small first payment and the rest is charged in equal monthly installments. The best part is that your miner starts mining at full power immediately and you pay for it over time. In my opinion, buy now, pay later is just an easy way for people who are not financially smart to just spend money and then realize later that they can't pay it back. So it has its ups and downs. It is what it is. It has its ups and downs. But who is MNPL for? Any registered user can choose this payment method if it's available in your region. So basically it's for everyone, as long as the region that you live in has it available. How do Mine Now, Pay Later payments work? Mine Now, Pay Later splits the miner's price into a 25% upfront payment in equal monthly installments. Payments are charged automatically every 30 days. Again, some people are going to go in bigger than they can afford. And then when their next monthly charge automatically happens and they don't have enough money, that might not be good for some people. So again, if you are investing in anything, don't be financially retarded, period. Just don't be financially retarded, okay? The plan includes 0% installment fees. That is good. If they can keep this at 0%, we're balling. Well, some people will be balling. Other people are going to go into fucking severe debt because they're going to be buying shit that they can't afford. It's fixed payments charged every 30 days. No interest or hidden charges. This better stay like that. For example, if your first payment is on June 10th, the next one will be charged every 30 days. July 10th, August 9th, September 8th. So every 30 days. Pretty simple. Your miner starts mining Bitcoin as soon as you make the first payment and will continue as long as installments are paid on time. Oh, okay. Right there. And it will continue as long as installments are paid on time. You know what that means? If you ain't paying on time, your Bitcoin miner might get paused. So just remember that. Remember that. Where can I see my Mine Now, Pay Later plan? You can find all your activity and past Mine Now, Pay Later plans in the Profile to Pay Later section. So I'm assuming, well, not assuming, it would look something like this because they literally have a screenshot example of it. There you can see your remaining balance. So right up here, all completed and upcoming payments. That one right there. The next charge date right there. Your payment method right there. The option to pay the next installment or pay off the plan in full. Okay, you know what? That's actually pretty good. That's pretty good. So if you know you're going to have the money at a certain point, you can do the Mine Now, Pay Later, do that 25%. And then once you have the full amount, you can just fully pay it off. So, okay, that's not bad. That's not bad. Are there any restrictions until the miner is paid in full? Oh, this is where it gets good. Yes. While the plan is active, some actions are temporarily unavailable. You can't sell the miner. I mean, that would make fucking sense. That would make sense because that would be stupid. If you buy like a 5,000 terahash miner, you only pay 25% of it, and then you sell the miner, get the full amount. That would be a scam. But obviously, right here, it says you can't mint the miner. And I think for most people who are using GoMining, you know that you have to mint your miner and put it on the blockchain before you can actually sell the miner. So pretty straightforward. And the last thing is upgrade it. So I guess whatever, if you buy a 16 terahash miner, you cannot upgrade the terahash until you have fully paid it off. Once the plan is fully paid, these restrictions are removed. Upgrades become available immediately, while minting and selling unlock after 90 days. So that's the usual. When you first create a miner, you have to wait 90 days from the initial purchasing date in order to mint it and then sell it. And then something most people don't know is, say you've already gone past the 90 days and you haven't minted it yet. If you do an upgrade, it's going to throw an additional 30 days on. So then you'll have to wait to mint it 30 days after that initial upgrade. Can my miner be taken away? Oh, that's what we're talking about. This is where it comes to people who are going to drop thousands of dollars, not be able to pay for it later, and then they're going to lose their privileges. So yes, a miner can be taken away, but only if your Mine Now, Pay Later payment is overdue for more than 27 days. So yeah, if you're close to a month behind payment, they're going to say, And what I thought is they might pause it. I don't think they're going to pause it. It seems like they might take it away. But obviously, before those 27 days, you'll receive reminders. You want to hope they will. Mining pauses after 7 days of non-payment. Okay, so they do pause it. So after a week or 7 days past your initial 30-day payment, you will then have 20 days to pay your overdue amount, and then your mining will resume. You can still restore the plan by paying the missed installment. Okay, so there you go. That's not bad. I guess it's taken away temporarily, and then it will be given back to you, as soon as you make your last payment, or you make the full payment. Because right here, once the payment is made, mining resumes immediately. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. So it's kind of like a slap on the wrist instead of chopping your entire wrist off for not making the payments. That's decent. A sore wrist is better than a missing one. You know what I mean? What does Mien Now, Pay Later qualify for? Wait, what? Okay, that makes sense. As soon as I look down, I realize what that means. So the payments that you're making on it will qualify you for other stuff, such as the raffle tickets. You receive a ticket for each successful installment payment, and I believe to get a single ticket for the raffles is about $20 or $25 USD you have to spend. So depending on how much your payment is, if it's $250, you'll get like 10 raffle tickets. Pretty good, especially since they have weekly raffles. That's not a bad thing, man. What else do you qualify for? Referral, bounty, and ambassador programs. Ooh, we love these three. This is how you get some extra GMT, man, to pay for those mining fees. Mien Now, Pay Later purchases qualify the same way as a regular miner purchases. Okay, yeah, so that's understandable. VIP program. All Mien Now, Pay Later payments count towards your VIP progress from day one. We all know that I'm in Platinum level 1 now because we just opened a Platinum Go box, baby. And then last but not least in the qualifying, the bonus miner task. A bonus miner bought with the Mien Now, Pay Later method fully qualifies for the task. So anyone that starts a new account or starts mining on GoMining, you automatically are given a quote-unquote bonus miner that is 16 terahash at, I believe, is what is 20 watts a terahash. They might just change that because I know right now you can only purchase brand new miners at 15 watts a terahash, not 20 watts a terahash. So it would be nice if they can change the bonus miner to 15 watts a terahash, just for when people get the tasks and they can use it and get that extra little Bitcoin. How do I pay? So obviously, step 1, click on the create miner button. We all know what that looks like. We've all seen it before. Step 2, select your miner's power, the terahash a second, and energy efficiency, wattage per terahash. This is going to be a little different because they have taken away the 20 watt per terahash. There's only 15 watts per terahash miners now. So it's basically you're just choosing your terahash a second. The efficiency is already there at 15 watts per terahash. Step 3, choose the pay later option. You see the pay now? There's the pay later. And look at that. It even tells you. So your first payment, it'll tell you how much it is. And then monthly for the next 3 months, it'll tell you how much you're going to be paying. That's pretty good. It lets you know in advance. Step 4, review your payment plan and confirm the first installment. Look at that. Gotta love that information. Installment fee, 0%. Look at this. Look at it. Wait. It's an 87-cent fee. Tisk, tisk, tisk. I thought it said right here, no interest or hidden charges. Looks like we found a possible hidden one. Because if you notice, all the lettering on here is black, other than this gray part and this gray part. Makes it a little bit more difficult to read, so you might skip over it. And then step 5, complete the initial payment, 25% of the miner's price. And then bada boom, bada bing, you just bought yourself a miner using the Mien Now, Pay Later method. Pretty good. When are payments charged? Your first payment is 25% of the miner price. It's charged on the day of the miner purchase. Pretty simple. We already knew that because of the 25%. It's gone over this a few times. The remaining 75% is split into equal payments. Each installment is charged every 30 days after the previous payment. All upcoming dates are visible in your payment schedule at profile and then in the pay later section. So from what it seems, because I could be wrong about this, the Mien Now, Pay Later method is a total of 4 equal payments. The first one is 25%, and the last 3 payments are going to be for the last 75%. Because you can see today, July, August, September, that's 4 together. We all know 25 times 4 is 100. Come on, people. This is simple math. So it seems like whatever you're purchasing, you want to ensure that you'll be able to pay it off within 3 to 4 months. Back to what I was saying, each installment is charged every 30 days after the previous payment. We already know this, we went over that. Can I pay off the plan in advance? That's pretty good. You do the deposit now, you think it's going to take you 4 months to pay it off. Next thing you know, next month, you have the money. So why not just pay it all off then? Right here. Yes, you can do it in the profile and then the pay later section. There are 2 ways you can pay off your miner in advance. Pay the full remaining balance in one go with pay all now button. That's what that'll look like. Or the pay the next installment in advance pay button. So the two options are you can pay it off immediately or on your next installment charge. That's when you pay it all off. What happens if my card doesn't have enough funds? Well, I would say you're financially retarded because you're not keeping track of how much money you're spending versus how much your credit limit is or how much you have in the bank account. That's just my opinion. We'll retry the payment several times. If it fails for 7 days, your miner will pause its work and stop earning Bitcoin. So they'll literally just walk up to it and press the pause button and be like, no, he needs to pass so you can get your Bitcoin. It's understandable. It's fair. Don't scam them because they're not scamming you. To avoid that, you'll need to top up your card or update your payment method. Once the payment succeeds, mining resumes and your schedule stays the same. Pretty simple. If the payment is overdue for more than 27 days, the miner will be confiscated and listed on the marketplace. Okay, I think I was wrong. I think it is they're going to cut your wrist off if you fuck up for more than 27 days. So they'll allow you to go up to 27 days, but anything past that, they're getting the knife out, cutting your wrist off, and they're selling it on the black market. You know what I mean? You'll receive a refund of your pay. Okay, that's pretty good. That is pretty good. I like that. So they'll cut your hand off, but give you the money for it. Or sorry, they'll cut your hand off and give you the money back that you already spent. You'll receive a refund of your paid installments minus earned rewards. Okay, good. So they're not going to lose the Bitcoin. You'll get your money back minus the amount of money that you've already made from mining. So yeah, minus earned rewards, payment provider fees, and installation fees. So yes, that makes sense. See the full rules and the terms of use. We don't need to see that. If you guys want to see that, you can do that on your own. Can I change my payment card? Oh, see, that's an idea. If you know one's going to be maxed out and you want to switch it to another, it's always a good idea to do that possibly. But then again, if you're maxing one out, you might be financially retarded. Yes, absolutely, you can change your payment card. You can update your card anytime directly in the profile and in the pay later section. Can I use promo codes or referral codes? Promo codes are not available for Mien Now pay later payments. So it's pretty simple. You can't put a promo code in and get like a little discount. But in the case of referral links, they work partially. The referrer receives a bonus. Referral bonuses for miners are not available at that moment. So I'm not 100% what this last one means. I know what the top one means. The person who referred you, they get a bonus. Oh, wait, I think I understand this now. So if you make upgrades on that miner, the person who referred you won't get bonuses from it, from what I believe. Full promo code and referral support will be added later. Okay, good. So eventually they will add it so you can use promo codes, and then the people who referred that person will get bonuses for whatever upgrades they make to it. That's good. And the last but not least before the legal disclaimer, which we don't need to read unless you guys want to read that, is what it is. Can I pay with crypto? Wait, that's actually surprising. I thought it would have said yes. Not at the moment. Currently, Mien Now pay later payment method is available only fiat card. So credit card, debit card, yada, yada, yada. Prepaid cards. Crypto payments for Mien Now pay later are planned for a future update. Okay, good. So sooner or later, you never know, in the coming months. Remember, I'm reading this literally 2 months. Around 2 months after it's been posted, or it came out. So eventually in the future, it might even be next month. It might even be next week. It might even be tomorrow that they'll have it. So you can use crypto to pay for the Mien Now pay later features. And that is all for this little article. If you guys have any questions, leave them down in the comments, of course. And if you haven't started mining, guess what? Referral link will be down in the description below. If you are mining, guess what? I'm pretty sure they still have that 10% off because Bitcoin's under 100K. So go make some upgrades. Go invest your money. Go do something. Don't be lazy. And guess what? We'll see you guys soon. Have a good fucking day. All right, ciao.
Don't make no money. It's time to get paid. You win some, you lose some, but you live to trade another day. Live to make another